Alright guys, it is showtime. It is currently 12:39, February 18th. I am putting on my socks and shoes right now. I have to take out 3 dresses to the car, and I'm making sure I got everything. I got my bras for the dress, I got the jewelry for the dress, I got the heels for the dress, I got my makeup for touch-up, and my hair utensils for touch-up. Alright, how's the booty look? Looking good? Looking good? Alright. Let's freaking do this. I'm so excited. You guys excited? I don't know why I have this up so high. Gang gang. Gang gang. Alright. I'll record more at the video. At the show. Gotta get all these dresses and these keys. So I'm probably gonna go put this in the car first. Catch you guys in a few, okay? Bye! Let's see what's going on over here. Oh, show us your dress.
Okay, so here's
her dress. So pretty. And here's her evening gown.
Yeah.
That one's really cute too.
It's like huge. All black.
It's huge. That's okay. It's different. And y'all can't see my. Oh, here my evening thing. I was just gonna show you. This one. It's like heart cut, and then the sides is like mine's not mermaid as big as yours. It's
I thought yours was gonna be big.
No. I was gonna do that. Yep. Hi. Hello. Can we walk out? Say hi. Hello.
Hey, it's pageant day.
It's pageant day. How are you guys feeling?
Good, excited. How are you feeling, Gina?
Sheila, are you nervous?
Nah, I'm nervous about those steps.
Yeah, me too. It's huge.
Quý vị ơi, nếu yêu thương các em, quý vị hãy vỗ tay lớn để cổ vũ cho mỗi em ạ.
Thí sinh mang số báo danh số 4.
Gonna review everybody. Hi. Are we tired?
Yes.
Super tired. I can't wait for her to Sarah. Hello, top 5.
Yeah, but then I haven't.
Hi. Can you do a twirl for us? Please. Yes. Yes, Lord. Congratulations on being top 5.
So I just didn't I didn't tell him.
I just want to get some
So he was like,
in here. Hi. You tired? Same. Me too. I'm like shaking. Hello, my favorite people. Hi. She's changing her shoes.
Yeah, because my feet were like swollen.
Same. Congratulations on being top 5.
Thank you.
You thought you were gonna make it, and I knew you were gonna make it.
But I was so scared.
And then you said you were gonna leave. So don't be scared, man. Backstage, top 5. Hello. Hello, Miss Dana. Hey, you guys. And we're just resting because
She's vlogging. This is after interview.
after the interview section.
Yes. What time?
We're
Don't
just
forget to like and
waiting.
subscribe.
Like and subscribe,
Like
please.
and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Comment below what you want to see next. If you want to see us in cinnamon challenge or anything. I will do the Tide Pod challenge if you like it for 100 likes. What is that?
The Tide.
This was her like
People actually do that. It's like detergent.
In a car. People are dying from that. Yeah. Yeah. And
It's really stupid.
People
Yeah,
are
they
so
have
enzymes. They have enzymes. You can die in there.
Yeah. They're like 13-month-old
Yeah,
die.
get yourself too.
How do I do this?
Yeah, come down. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, do it.
Yeah.
That's really nice.
You know, because
Show them the nails.
wow.
Everybody show your nails. Because we all look cute.
I got this done 2 months ago.
Look at Lana, the best.
Go, girl.
It's turned into tips.
XOXO.
French tip.
French tip.
Xin cảm ơn tất cả các em đã tham gia cuộc thi này. Và những em còn lại, các em rất đẹp, các em rất giỏi, các em rất tài. Nhưng cuộc thi nào chúng ta cũng phải có những người thắng. Vì thế, xin mời 5 em thí sinh có số điểm cao nhất đứng gần lại với nhau để chúng ta chuẩn bị cho phần thi ứng xử. Và các em thí sinh còn lại xin các em trở về phía sân khấu.
Và kính thưa quý vị, bây giờ